BMW has just unveiled one of the most exclusive versions of its legendary adventure motorcycle, the R1300 GS Aurum Edition. And this is not merely a variant with a special color scheme, but features an exclusive black and gold design that delivers a much more premium look. Gold accents adorn the bodywork, rims, logos, and other details, while the seat features a luxurious Alcantara finish. There is also a special gold-colored aluminum plate displaying the unique production number for each unit. However, the most eye-catching aspect is its limited production run. BMW is offering only 100 units of the R1300 GS Aurum Edition, along with another 100 units of the R1300 GS Adventure Aurum Edition. Beneath its exclusive appearance, the motorcycle retains the impressive performance of the standard R1300 GS model. Its 1,300 cubic centimeter boxer engine produces 145 horsepower and 149 Newton-meters of torque, delivering robust performance for this adventure bike, whether on the highway or off-road. Its list of features is equally impressive. The Aurum Edition comes with a high level of standard equipment, including the ASA automatic transmission and select components from the Option 719 range, making it one of the most comprehensively equipped GS models available. So, what about the price? The R1300 GS Aurum Edition is priced at around €34,950, while the larger R1300 GS Adventure Aurum Edition is priced at approximately €36,950. However, this motorcycle is not for everyone. With a production run of only 100 units per model, exclusivity is clearly its main appeal. For BMW collectors and die-hard GS enthusiasts, this blend of performance, luxury, and extreme rarity makes the Aurum Edition one of the most desirable versions of the R1300 GS. What makes the Aurum Edition even more compelling is that its exclusivity goes beyond mere aesthetics. Thanks to limited production numbers and a host of premium features, BMW has positioned this motorcycle as a truly collectible GS variant. For riders who want to stand out from the thousands of standard GS models on the road, the Aurum Edition offers a unique combination of luxury, performance, and character that is far rarer. So, would you choose the standard R1300 GS, or are you willing to pay nearly €35,000 for the rare Aurum Edition with its black and gold color scheme? Let us know what you think.